What if I told you some of the most advanced AI spy gadgets you can buy today can see heat, detect movement through walls, track vehicles, and uncover hidden cameras? These 10 insane surveillance gadgets feel like they belong in a spy movie. But they're real, available to buy, and some are far more unsettling than you'd expect. AI Dashcam with driver monitoring. Next up is an AI dashcam with driver monitoring, basically an AI co-pilot that never gets tired or distracted. Using facial recognition and behavior analysis, it tracks eye movement, head position, drowsiness, distraction, and even phone use while driving. If it detects a dangerous behavior, it can instantly alert the driver before a mistake becomes an accident. At around $85, this gadget feels less like a dashcam and more like a personal driving surveillance system. Spy Pen Camera. Next up is the Spy Pen Camera, a gadget that looks like an ordinary ballpoint pen, but secretly hides an HD camera inside. With AI-powered motion detection, it can automatically start recording when someone enters the room. The most unsettling part? There are no obvious lights or warning sounds to give it away. At around $36, this tiny device shows how easily surveillance technology can hide in everyday objects. Google Nest Mini. First up is the Google Nest Mini, a tiny smart speaker that looks completely harmless, but its microphone is surprisingly powerful. It can pick up conversations from across a room, even with background noise like a TV playing. Designed to hear voice commands from a distance, it's always listening for its wake word. At around $19, this affordable AI gadget raises some seriously interesting questions about privacy and smart home surveillance. Walabot Home Wall Radar Sensor. Next up is the Walabot Home Wall Radar Sensor, a gadget that can detect movement, breathing patterns, and even falls through drywall and standard interior walls without using a camera. Powered by radar technology and AI-based motion analysis, it gives you real-time awareness of what's happening in another room. Originally designed for home safety and elder care, this $199 device feels less like a smart home gadget and more like technology from the future. MECO Spy Hidden Camera Detector. Next up is the MECO Spy Hidden Camera Detector, a pocket-sized gadget designed to help uncover hidden cameras in hotels, Airbnb rooms, and other spaces. It scans for wireless camera signals and uses lens detection to reveal cameras that are almost impossible to spot with the naked eye. Its AI-assisted signal filtering helps separate surveillance devices from everyday electronics like phones and Wi-Fi routers, giving you an extra layer of privacy protection. Signal Jammer Detector RF Analyzer. Finally, we have the Signal Jammer Detector RF Analyzer, a powerful gadget designed to uncover suspicious wireless activity around you. It can detect signal jammers, rogue networks, and other hidden electronic threats by scanning the air in real time. Its AI-powered analysis helps identify unusual signals instantly, making it useful for security professionals and investigators. Instead of spying on others, this device helps you discover when someone might be trying to spy on you. Tile Ultra Precision Finder. Next up is the Tile Ultra Precision Finder, a tiny tracker that makes finding lost items feel almost futuristic. Using ultra-wideband technology, it can guide you directly to your keys, wallet, or other valuables with an on-screen arrow and pinpoint accuracy. Its AI-powered system can even learn where your belongings usually are and alert you when something seems out of place. At around $58, it's like having a private detective for your valuables 24/7. FLIR One Pro Thermal Camera. Next up is the FLIR One Pro Thermal Camera, a gadget that lets your smartphone see what the naked eye can't. Simply attach it to your phone, and you can instantly view hidden heat signatures in real time. It can help spot heat leaking through walls, detect overloaded electronics, and reveal thermal outlines in complete darkness. With AI-enhanced imaging combining thermal data with a normal camera view, this $393 gadget makes the invisible world impossible to ignore. BrickHouse Security GPS Tracker. Next up is the BrickHouse Security GPS Tracker, a tiny magnetic device that can track a vehicle's location in real time. It can attach to almost any metal surface and send location updates straight to your phone. Its AI-powered system can learn travel patterns, detect unusual routes, and alert you when a vehicle enters or leaves specific areas. At around $13, this compact tracker delivers serious surveillance-style tracking power in a surprisingly small package. HIKMICRO Thermal Imaging Camera. Next up is the HIKMICRO Thermal Imaging Camera, a gadget that lets you see in complete darkness by detecting heat signatures instead of relying on light. It can reveal people, animals, and hidden heat sources even when visibility is poor. The built-in AI highlights the hottest objects and tracks movement in real time, making this thermal camera feel like something straight out of a military operation. It's perfect for security, search, and rescue, or exploring the unseen world. Which of these AI spy gadgets shocked you the most? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane tech and gadgets you won't believe are real.